Healthy banana cake, gluten-free, sugar-free, and dairy-free. Let's start by adding 100 grams of shredded coconut to a bowl. Next, we'll crack an egg. Then add 2 tablespoons of oatmeal. I use thin flakes here. Now let's mix everything together well. At this point, we'll start kneading with our hands until it forms a dough. This is the perfect consistency. Now take a small amount and shape it into a nest. Then transfer it to a baking dish. I'm using a poor man's kitchen meat tray here. For filling, I'll use banana slices, but use what you prefer. Once done, it's ready to go in the oven. Bake at 180 degrees until golden brown. Check it out, folks. This recipe turns out amazing. It's delicious. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another Poor Man in the Kitchen recipe. Take care, everyone. See you next time, and thanks.